In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use gems in Gemini to save time with AI. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive in. Have you ever found yourself repeating the same tasks or having to remind AI of your preferences every time? Well, with gems in Gemini, you can streamline those processes and make your interactions with AI much smoother. Gems are custom AI experts that remember your preferences, tone, and specific instructions. So let me guide you through how to set this up so that you can save hours of redundant work. First things first, you'll want to access the Gem Builder. Open Gemini on your desktop, and this is where the magic begins. Once you're in, you can create your gem, give it a specific role that suits your needs, and set some rules that it will follow. You can also upload reference files right here. Imagine never having to retype complex prompts again. That's exactly what we're aiming for, so you can focus on the more important aspects of your work. Next, it's time to navigate to find your gems. Stay on the Gemini platform on the web. Look for your profile menu. Once there, select the option for gems. It's a simple step but crucial to accessing your newly created assistants. Now, create a new gem by clicking on the New Gem button. You'll need to name your assistant something that reflects its role. Maybe you want to create a social media manager to help you with all your social content, or perhaps a research assistant for your data needs. Whatever you choose, make it clear because this will help you identify your gems later on. After you've named your gem, it's time to define its instructions. Here's where you can really get specific. Write up the detailed rules that will guide your gem on how to behave. What tone do you prefer? What kind of tasks should it focus on? This step is essential to ensure your AI follows your preferences closely. If you're unsure how to articulate this, don't worry. There's a handy magic wand icon that can help Gemini craft instructions for you. Once your instructions are set, consider adding knowledge to your gem. This is where you can upload up to 10 different files, like brand guidelines or meeting notes, which will serve as context for whatever tasks your gem is handling. This way, your AI will have a wealth of information to draw from, making it even more effective in assisting you. After all the setup, we don't want to leave our gem unutilized. So, save your work. Your gem will now be ready to use. And here's where things get even more convenient. You can load your gem directly from your sidebar whenever you need it. It can effortlessly assist you in handling those repetitive tasks, or even help you while you're working inside Google Docs and Gmail by using the Ask Gemini button. And there you have it. By creating and utilizing gems in Gemini, you're setting yourself up for a much more efficient workflow. You can engage in meaningful work without getting bogged down by repetitive prompts and tasks. Take some time to create your personalized gems, and you'll quickly see the difference in how your interactions with AI can really transform. Thank you for staying with me through this guide on how to use gems in Gemini to save time with AI. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more insightful content. Happy gem creating!